Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how you can cancel your NCSA membership. So friends, in this case, just follow me in this guide. I have this one, a Academy account in NCSA. This is for Academy. You have this account for Academy. If you want to cancel your membership, go to your account setting on the top right corner. From this account setting, you will see this page. In this page, just scroll down, click on this icon, manage membership, click manage your membership, and then you'll redirect it to this second page. As you can see here in this page, you will redirect it to membership. So in this case, just click remove this one, annul your subscription. I have a trial, click remove this one. As you can see here, when you click this icon, you will be subscription was cancelled successfully. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you.